Hey. Have you seen the last quarter's results?
Dude, they are awful. They are going to have our heads for this.
I know. Sales declined dramatically after our marketing campaign launched last quarter.
Hey, it is not exactly our fault. Sales were mildly fluctuating before we took charge of the campaign. At least we are expecting stable sales for this quarter.
But we're still in hot water. Jane was expecting at least a slight stable increase in sales.
You know what? I'm going to do some back-of-the-envelope calculations before the meeting.
Great idea. Jane always has the show me the numbers attitude. She won't listen to our excuses. I mean reasoning. Maybe some numbers will calm her down.